Yeah, people have asked me questions on websites where to start or register as affiliate marketers. Amazon Associate Program is not the only affiliate program that you can join. There are other websites where you could sign up to be affiliates and promote products as well. So in this video, I'll be sharing other websites where you can sign up and become an affiliate marketer. If this sounds interesting to you, if you want to know about this, then grab your seats and let's enjoy this video together. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. This is the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel, and on this channel I get to talk about business ideas, ways and how you can improve your business. I also motivate you to monetize your skills. You know, there are some skills we've got in us that can be a way we make extra income. And being a new entrepreneur myself, I get to share my entrepreneurship journey on this platform as well. So I talk about product services platform that I use and that is still helping me in this journey as an entrepreneur. Does this sound interesting to you? Is this something you want to be a part of? And so all you need to do is subscribe, and once you subscribe, hit that notification bell to all notifications so that when I upload new videos, you would always come to watch my videos. And I just don't want you to watch these videos, I want you to share the videos as well. So to all my new subscribers, you're welcome. To my existing subscribers, like I always say, you guys rock. Thank you for your comment, thank you for your emails, thank you for your feedback. It goes a long way to make this channel better. Thank you so much. So let's go right into today's video. So as we know that affiliate marketing is a way you promote people's products and get paid for it. Maybe you get paid an interest or commission for every sales you make by selling someone else's product or marketing their services. All right, so the first thing I want you to know about affiliate marketing is you can actually approach a company that you've used their product or that you think their product is so good and you want to tell people about it. Approach them to be one of their affiliate marketers. Some companies don't know this, so if you start your affiliate marketing career, you can actually walk up to companies, walk up to brands and tell them, oh, I can market your brand for you and I will interest, or I'll be paid some percentage for every sales I make. So that's the first thing that you can do starting off your affiliate marketing career. That is my first point, so take that as the first website. Okay, so approach brands, tell them you can market their product, and voila, market away and get paid. All right, so the first website I'll be talking about in this video is Amazon Associate. This is the famous Associate. This is where most people start off from. Marketplace. I don't think there's anything on Amazon that people don't get to use daily. So Amazon Associate is something you want to sign up for and kick off your affiliate career. It's always recommended, and check their frequently asked questions like I always say. All right, so let's go to the next website. Number 2 website I'll be talking about in today's video is Rakuten Advertising, Rakuten.com. Yes, this is another website that you want to join as an affiliate. They have big brands that they partner with to market products for, and you earn commission, and they also have a training and support team that can help you through the journey when you register as an associate. It's a big marketplace as well. And you can see their partners. These are partners that they work with, and you can also market for their partners as well. And the third website I'll be talking about is CJ Affiliate. You really want to go to CJ Affiliate to see how to become an affiliate and what you can actually market. It's a big marketplace. It has almost all the brands you can think of. It has airlines, it has medicals, health center. And number 4 on today's video is Impact. You see, they partner with brands, and you can market for these brands as well. Just go to the website, sign up to be an affiliate, and you talk about their brands, promote the brands that are on the website that they represent: Adidas, Airbnb, Allstate. So you see brands that they represent. These are brands you can market once you get on their platform. So in today's video, my special feature is Everon channel. A channel she talks about food, family, and finance. She shares about business ideas, and she lives in North Cyprus, so she takes you around North Cyprus. To ask her, please go to her channel. She's my special feature today. Everon. Yeah, so the fifth website that you could join as an affiliate is ShareASale. ShareASale promotes a lot of merchants, so you can just go there, register as an affiliate, and start your affiliate marketing career, your affiliate marketing gig. Yes, and these are what they do. They have popular merchant, they have home and garden, they have fashion merchant. So you can build a niche related website and start your affiliate marketing. And you could start a YouTube channel and start affiliate marketing. Just come to this website to see which one you feel more comfortable to work with, or which of the niches that you want to grow, and just start your affiliate marketing. And if you have a channel already, if you're into content creation already, go to these websites. They have brands that you could market for. So if you're into trying on oil, if you're into cooking, if you're into gardening and all, there are so many merchants that you can promote on your channel. Okay, so this is ShareASale. They do, so you see, so ShareASale, it's a big place to start your affiliate marketing. The sixth website I'll be talking about is Jvzoo. Jvzoo is a big marketplace as well, where you could start off as affiliate marketers. They have brands that they partner with that you could market for as well. Just go to Jvzoo. It says, yeah, and as affiliates, you should be mindful of the fact that whatever you are promoting is something you are confident in recommending. So it says only promote fully compliant offers you can be confident in recommending. Don't risk your good reputation with your subscribers and followers. Stop worrying whether promoting an offer will randomly punish you. All right, so they have resources as well, articles that you can read while you get on with your affiliate marketing. It's an affiliate platform made for everyone. So Jvzoo is a place you really want to check and start off your affiliate marketing career. So that's Jvzoo. And so the next website is Clickbank. It is a famous affiliate marketing platform. They have products that ranges from health, fitness, software. It's a big marketplace, but like I always say, please be sure of the vendors you are marketing for. Be sure of the products you are promoting. Don't jeopardize don't jeopardize the trust your audience have in you by promoting products that you are not sure of. This Flex offers, they have quite a number of products that you can market as well. It's a big marketplace as well. So if you're starting out your affiliate marketing job, these are websites that you really want to check out. And the last website I'll be talking about in today's video is Shopify. Yes, so many people don't know that they can actually be affiliates for Shopify. Shopify is not just Shopify is not just for e-commerce. You can also talk to people about Shopify, tell them to start their storefront in Shopify, and you get paid as long as they sign on. And so market Shopify to your audience and get paid for it. Just come to Shopify and join their affiliate program. Just create an account and become a partner. All right, so this is something you really want to look into. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoy creating this video. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, what then are you waiting for? Hit that subscription button, subscribe, turn on all your notifications so that when I upload new videos, you would always come to watch my videos. And to my existing subscribers, thank you for always rocking this channel with me. You guys are the best. And of course, we have new subscribers. You're welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's sit down and have a jolly ride together. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now.